Dear students, in that tutorial we would go on the tools options, and here first of all we would crop the image from the upper side. That thing have been done successfully. Now friends, on the very other step I would draw a beautiful shape on it. So dear guys, here I would see that there are different kinds of shapes on the pictures, and here I have to draw that one heart shape on it, which is here. I have to draw that one heart. Now it could be filled with different shapes and options, which are that. So guys, here I have to choose that one color. Now I have to select that one color, and at that step that one has been filled, and at the other step I have to fill it with another color. So guys, our picture is that.